If you drive a modern diesel truck or car, you know how sensitive the emissions systems can be, and a code P204D can be a serious issue that might even put your vehicle into limp mode. This code stands for Reductant Pressure Sensor Circuit High, which tells us that the computer is seeing a voltage signal from the diesel exhaust fluid system that is way higher than the maximum limit. To meet strict EPI emission standards in the United States, manufacturers use selective catalytic reduction systems that spray diesel exhaust fluid, or DEF, into the exhaust stream. This fluid breaks down harmful nitrogen oxides into harmless nitrogen and water. The system relies on a pump to pressurize this fluid and a pressure sensor to tell the computer exactly how much pressure is in the line. When the computer sees a voltage spike that goes out of range, it assumes there is a short to power or a sensor failure and sets this code. The severity here is high because if the system cannot verify the pressure, it might stop injecting the fluid, which can clog your filter and cause the computer to limit your speed to 5 miles per hour to prevent illegal emissions. You will likely see a warning message on your dash about the exhaust fluid system, along with excessive black smoke from the tailpipe and a noticeable drop in engine power. The most common causes are a failed pressure sensor, a shorted wire in the harness rubbing against the frame, or a bad pump assembly. To fix this, you need a diagnostic scanner and a multimeter. Start by clearing the code and seeing if it comes back right away. If it does, locate the reductant pressure sensor, which is usually on the supply pump module near the DEF tank. Check the electrical connector for corrosion or green crusties, which are common in these areas exposed to road debris. Use your multimeter to check the voltage on the signal wire coming from the sensor. If you are seeing 5 volts or battery voltage constantly on the signal wire when it should be fluctuating, that confirms the high circuit fault. If the wiring looks good and the voltages coming from the computer are correct, you likely need to replace the pressure sensor or the pump assembly it is attached to. This is a vital repair because ignoring it can lead to thousands of dollars in damage to your catalytic converter and DPF system. Stay safe on the road and keep that diesel running clean.